In this video, we will be overviewing the contents of the AWID LR-TEK installation kit and using it to benchmark a long-range reader. Included in the kit is a helpful informational sheet. The kit includes the following items: the LR sounder for quickly testing the functionality and range of any AWID reader, a DC power module rated at 12 volts and 3.3 amps, an ultra-high frequency windshield tag mounted on windshield glass for testing, a long-range ultra-high frequency clamshell card for testing, a short RS-232 cable adapter to configure an AWID reader on a PC, and a serial to USB adapter for computers or laptops without a serial port. Now we will use the TEK kit to set up and benchmark a new reader. The reader used for the demonstration is an AWID LR-3000. To power up the reader, cut the 10-pin connector on the reader and separate and strip the red, black, and yellow wires. Twist the yellow and black wires together. We will use the power supply included in the TEK kit to power the device. Connect the red wire to the power supply positive and the black and yellow wires to the power supply negative. Use the alligator clips for easy wiring. The reader should now have power as indicated by the red LED located at the bottom of the reader. Now we will connect the LR sounder. Strip the orange wire from the reader. Using the alligator clips included on the sounder, connect the two orange wires, and then the black and yellow wires to the power supply negative, and the red wire to the power supply positive. Now, every time a tag is read, the LED on the LR sounder will flicker, and a loud beep will be projected. To benchmark the read range on a reader, simply start walking toward the reader until a frequent beep can be heard, and note the distance. For technical support, you can contact AWID at our phone number or visit us at awid.com.